There is something interesting happening in the smart glasses market that most people completely missed. While everyone was busy talking about the latest Ray-Ban Meta glasses, another company quietly stepped in and launched something that could seriously shake up the category. Xiaomi introduced a pair of smart glasses that cost significantly less, way less, and in many ways feel more practical for daily use. The surprising part is that many people still have no idea these even exist, which actually gives early adopters a pretty big advantage. After digging through product details, early hands-on impressions, and supply chain discussions, it becomes clear that Xiaomi approached this product very differently from the rest of the industry. Instead of trying to impress people with flashy augmented reality features or futuristic holograms, the company focused on solving the real problems users complain about with current smart glasses. And if you enjoy discovering hidden tech products, real leaks, and the smartest buying decisions before everyone else does, consider subscribing. This channel focuses on the technology stories that actually matter before they become mainstream. What Xiaomi built here is not perfect, but it is surprisingly thoughtful. Rather than chasing the hype around AR headsets, the company stripped the idea of smart glasses back to the essentials. The goal was simple: create something comfortable enough to wear all day while still delivering useful features. You can see that philosophy immediately in the design. Many smart glasses struggle with three key issues. They tend to be bulky, their battery life rarely lasts long enough, and their AI capabilities often feel unfinished. Xiaomi targeted each of these weaknesses directly. Instead of complicated augmented reality overlays, these glasses focus on practical, everyday tools that simply work. No glowing displays floating in front of your eyes, no distracting gimmicks, just camera, audio, and AI assistants designed for real-world situations. One of the most impressive elements is the camera system. Xiaomi equipped the glasses with a 12-megapixel sensor paired with a relatively wide aperture, allowing it to capture bright photos and surprisingly detailed video. Recording is limited to 2K resolution, but the clever part is the recording format. Video is captured in a 4:3 aspect ratio, which makes it incredibly flexible for creators. A single clip can be cropped into both landscape 16:9 for YouTube and vertical 9:16 for platforms like Instagram or TikTok without needing to shoot separate footage. For content creators, that small design decision makes the glasses far more versatile. Stabilization also performs well for normal movement like walking. The only time footage becomes unstable is during rapid head turns, which is more of a physics limitation than a software issue. The controls are intentionally simple. A quick tap captures a photo, while a longer press starts recording video. The idea is to allow hands-free capture during real-life moments rather than staged filming setups. It is also important to clarify something many people assume incorrectly. These are not augmented reality glasses. There is no built-in display, no heads-up interface, and no floating holograms. Instead, Xiaomi positioned them as camera and audio smart glasses designed for practicality rather than immersive AR. The approach to artificial intelligence is equally interesting. Instead of placing heavy processing hardware inside the glasses themselves, Xiaomi routes AI functions through the connected smartphone. This decision provides two big advantages. First, the glasses can remain lightweight because they do not require powerful onboard processors. Second, the AI features benefit from the full computing power of the phone. Through the connection with HyperOS and various AI assistants, such as ChatGPT, the glasses allow voice interactions using a system of 5 microphones and dual speakers. Conversations with AI can happen naturally without needing to touch the phone. Real-time translation is supported, although there is still some noticeable delay. Visual recognition is also included, allowing the glasses to identify objects through captured images. While that feature may not be essential for most users, it demonstrates the potential of the platform. Where Xiaomi really stands out is comfort. The base model weighs only about 40 grams, and even the version with prescription lenses reaches just 54 grams. That makes them lighter than many competing smart glasses and far easier to wear for long periods. The frame design was originally optimized for Asian facial structures, but in practice it fits a wide range of face shapes comfortably. Xiaomi also introduced a semi-transparent frame option that reveals some of the internal components, giving the glasses a futuristic aesthetic. The nose bridge is another detail that shows thoughtful engineering. It avoids the pressure points that often make glasses uncomfortable after several hours. Because of this, these glasses genuinely feel like something you could wear throughout the entire day. Audio performance is also stronger than many people expect. Xiaomi uses an open-ear speaker system somewhat similar to bone conduction technology. This allows users to hear music, calls, or AI responses while still remaining aware of their surroundings. For city environments or outdoor situations, this can actually feel more natural than traditional earbuds that block external sound. Voices come through clearly, music is acceptable for casual listening, and the open design keeps your ears free. Battery life is another area where Xiaomi made careful trade-offs. Users can expect roughly 8 hours of mixed usage, while continuous video recording lasts around 40 to 45 minutes. One clever design element is the charging connector. The glasses can be plugged in while still being worn, and they work seamlessly with portable power banks. For content creators who want extended filming sessions, this is a surprisingly practical solution. There is also an optional electrochromic lens version. These lenses can instantly adjust their tint level, switching between clear and shaded modes with a simple swipe gesture. In effect, the glasses transform from everyday eyewear into sunglasses whenever needed. Of course, there are still limitations. The AI currently performs best in Chinese, and English support can feel inconsistent at times. Translation features work, but may introduce slight delays. And because there is no augmented reality display, users looking for a full AR experience will not find it here. But when you consider the pricing, the value becomes difficult to ignore. The standard model starts around $280, making it one of the most affordable smart glasses with this level of functionality. For users who want hands-free video capture, comfortable all-day wear, open-ear audio, and basic AI features without spending a fortune, these glasses offer a compelling option. People expecting advanced AR projections or perfectly refined AI may be disappointed. But that was never Xiaomi's goal. Instead of chasing hype, the company prioritized comfort, practicality, and thoughtful design. And in many ways, that strategy may prove to be the smartest move of all. When comparing Xiaomi's glasses with Ray-Ban Meta glasses, the difference in philosophy becomes even clearer. Both products explore the idea of connected eyewear, but they approach it from very different angles. Xiaomi focuses on functionality and technical features, aiming to create a technology-driven experience. Ray-Ban, on the other hand, leans heavily into fashion and social usability, preserving the classic design language the brand is famous for. Lens technology highlights this contrast. Xiaomi offers electrochromic lenses capable of shifting between clear and shaded modes in about 2 seconds. Users can adjust the tint through simple touch gestures, and prescription lenses are supported as well. Ray-Ban Meta glasses rely on more traditional lens options such as standard sunglasses or transition lenses that adapt automatically to lighting conditions while maintaining the brand's iconic aesthetic. Neither product currently offers a fully transparent augmented reality display. However, Ray-Ban is reportedly exploring a future model with a monocular AR display, while Xiaomi has not announced plans for a similar system yet. Battery performance also differs noticeably. Xiaomi's glasses can provide roughly 8 hours of typical use and up to 45 minutes of continuous 2K video recording. Ray-Ban Meta glasses last about 4 hours per charge, though their charging case allows multiple recharges throughout the day, which can extend total usage time. Camera capabilities are fairly comparable in terms of hardware. Both devices include 12-megapixel ultra-wide cameras, but their recording methods vary. Xiaomi records 2K video at 30 frames per second and allows longer recording sessions. Ray-Ban glasses typically capture shorter clips and focus more on quick social media sharing. Artificial intelligence features also reflect the different strategies. Xiaomi integrates Xiao AI with productivity-oriented tools such as translation across multiple languages, object recognition, calorie scanning for food, QR code payments, and voice-generated meeting summaries. Ray-Ban's Meta AI is more focused on convenience. Users can control music, answer calls, send messages, and interact with social platforms using voice commands, but it does not include the same productivity features. Design and comfort further highlight the contrast. Xiaomi opts for a minimal D-shaped frame weighing around 40 grams, prioritizing comfort and functionality. Ray-Ban leans into its recognizable Wayfarer and Skylar designs, which emphasize style and brand identity. Both glasses use open-ear audio systems and multiple microphones. Xiaomi incorporates additional technologies such as reverse sound field audio for privacy, while Ray-Ban focuses on delivering clearer audio for calls and music. Pricing also reflects their different priorities. Xiaomi's smart glasses range from approximately $280 to $420 depending on lens type and configuration. Ray-Ban Meta glasses typically fall between $300 and $379 depending on the model. Ultimately, these products represent two distinct visions for the future of smart eyewear. Xiaomi appeals to technology enthusiasts who want advanced features, strong battery life, and flexible lenses. Ray-Ban Meta glasses attract users who value recognizable style and seamless integration with social platforms. Both approaches have their strengths, and together they show how rapidly the smart glasses category is evolving. This channel is for people who want to stay ahead of emerging technology and understand where devices like this are really heading. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.